Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the most efficient ways of doing affiliate marketing. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can properly use Facebook to promote your affiliate product without spamming other people. And you can successfully apply this method on Digistore24 affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, or any other affiliate network. And this method is 100% free. Only thing you need to invest is time and work. And that's it. So with that being said, let's start. So first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore24. And because we are talking about Digistore24 affiliate marketing and making money online, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to scroll here and I'm going to click here on internet marketing and e-business. And here you can find products that you can promote and make money. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here. You can see passive income system 2.0. Here you can see I can actually earn 392 euros per sale on average. Now that is a good money. So what you need to do, you need to click here on promote and you will get your Digistore24 affiliate link. Now next thing we need to do, we actually need to write an ebook. Now for that you can simply go here on ChatGPT and here you can simply search for ebook, okay? Ebook, and you can use one of these to write you an ebook. ChatGPT will write you an ebook. Or if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can simply go here on free PLR downloads and then you can click here on affiliate marketing in this case and you can download one of these ebooks. So let me just close this ad. You can download one of these ebooks. So I'll just say, for example, I wish to download this ebook here. All you have to do is just scroll here and click on this blue download button. Now, next thing we need to do, we actually need to edit this ebook. We need to add a call to action and we need to add our Digistore24 affiliate link. Now, for that, we are going to use a website called Seda. Seda is 100% free. You don't even need to register. So what you need to do, you need to click here on upload file. And this is the file that I wish to edit. And here you can see how this actually looks. So what I need to do, I actually need to click here on text, okay? And then I need to double click here. And here I need to add my call to action. And I can say something like this. Okay, here you can see this is too large, too big, so I will simply make this smaller, okay? So font size, let's just say, for example, 14. Okay, we'll make it to be, let's just say, for example, 12, okay? To be 12, okay? And also you can change the color of this text. So let me just highlight all of this. Color, let's just say, for example, to be blue, okay? And here you can see now it is blue. So what we need to do next, we need to add our Digistore24 affiliate link. So what I need to do, I simply need to highlight this and then I need to click here on this little chain. And here where it says example, I need to paste my Digistore24 affiliate link and I need to press enter and that's it. I added my affiliate link. And now when someone click here, it will be redirected to the sales page. And if they buy that product, I am going to earn an affiliate commission. Now, what I would recommend is to add this call to action that contains your affiliate link on every second or third page on that ebook. Okay. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just scroll here. You need to just click here on apply changes, okay? Give it a few seconds to actually apply these changes to edit this ebook. What you need to do next is you need to click here on download and download this ebook, okay? And here you can see how this looks. So let me just scroll here. Here you can see this is my call to action. When I click here, I will be redirected to the sales page of this product here, Passive Income System 2.0. So what I need to do, I actually need to download this ebook, okay? So I will simply click here on download, okay, save, and I will save this. For example, I will add 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will save this to my desktop, okay? That is really, really important. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Facebook, and we need to search for Facebook groups related to our niche. In this case, related to affiliate marketing. So here I will simply search affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing group. I am already a member of this group. There are actually 3 ways that you can use Facebook groups to promote your affiliate products. Now, first way is by spamming. You will simply join to this group and then you will simply start making posts. You will simply start sharing your post here in these Facebook groups. You will spam these groups and you will most likely be banned, and this is least efficient way. Now, second and much better way is to actually create your own group and that is by far best way to do this, but it takes time and it takes work. And third way is to actually use somebody else's group, and what you need to do, you need to simply click here on members, okay? And then you need to scroll here, and here you can see new to the group. Here you can see people who recently joined to this group. And what that means that these people are obviously interested in affiliate marketing in this case. And also they are active because they just joined. Look this, 5 hours ago. This person joined this group 5 hours ago. Let me scroll here. Here you can see this person joined 18 hours ago. So these people are active and they are interested in affiliate marketing. So what you need to do, you simply need to hover over here and then you need to click here on message. And now you can send a message to this person, but do not spam. You are just starting conversation, so you can say something like, hey, I see you just joined to this affiliate marketing group. I'm also in affiliate marketing. If you would like, we can exchange our knowledge and our experience and help each other to make money with affiliate marketing. You can say something like that just to start a conversation. Later, you can recommend an ebook that you edited in Seda that contains your affiliate link. You can recommend to this person, you can say something like, hey, this ebook helped me to make my first sale and make my first $100 with affiliate marketing. So you will basically recommend this ebook and send it to this person. And because you already started conversation, they are now trusting you. So when you send them an ebook, they will actually read that ebook and possibly they will click on that affiliate link and some of those people will actually buy your affiliate product. Now this takes work, but if you do everything correctly, in first 30 days, you can easily make from $100 to $500 in just first 30 days, totally free. You just need to start conversation with all of these people here, and then you need to simply recommend an ebook that you edited that contains your affiliate link. And like I said, you will make sale in first 30 days when you start this, if you do everything correctly. But like I said, it takes a bit of work and it is 100% free. So, like I said, this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing in 2023 as a beginner, totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.